Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a coding problem related to string rotation. This is the problem statement. You will be given a string and an associated number. You need to rotate the string based on that number, which means you need to calculate sum of squares of the digits present in that number. If that sum is even, you need to rotate the string towards right by one position. If the sum is odd, then in that case you need to rotate the string towards left by two positions. Look at the test cases here, RHDT and GHFTD. Now see this here, I am taking RHDT here and its associated number is 246. I need to calculate sum of the squares of the digits, 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, and I got the sum as even. In that case I need to rotate the string towards right by one position, right? This will be here, this will be here, this character will be here, and this character will go here, which means I will get the final output as TRHD by rotating one position right. This is going to be our output. Similarly, this is the string GHFTD and it is an associated number. You need to calculate sum of squares of the digits, 1 square, 2 square, 4 square and 6 square, and you calculated the sum, you got as odd number. In that case you need to rotate the string left by two positions, right? See the example here. Here the test case is GHFTD. I need to perform left shift for two times, right? First I will perform one time. This character will be here, this character will be here, this character will be here, and G will come here, which means we will get the string as H, F, T, D and G. Now I will perform once again the left shift. This will be here, this will be here, and this character will be here, this character will be here, and H will go here. Finally you will get the output as F, T, D, G, H. See, F, T, D, G, H. This is the string we got by rotating this string towards right by one position. This is the output we got by rotating this string towards left by two positions. Now let's look at how to do the right shift and left shift in a programmatical manner. See, the test case here is RHDT, right? RHDT. I need to perform right shift. If I perform right shift, what is happening? This will come here and the remaining will shift one position, right? Which means you will get the output as a T RHD. In order to do that, I will use the slicing concept. Let this string as S. In that case, if I write S of -1 colon, which means whatever the values present from this index to end, you need to write first and you need to concatenate with all the values starting and ending at the index before it, which is nothing but you will write a T here first and the remaining all characters RHD. RHD you will write. When you concatenate, you will get the final result, right? This is a colon, final result. In this way you can perform the right shift. Similarly, if you want to perform the left shift, see the example. If you want to perform the left shift, I am taking the same example RHDT here. Now when I will perform the left shift, what will happen? This will come here, this will come here, this will come here, and R will go here, which means from this I need to write all the characters first, which means starting from the first location I need to write all the values, means these indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Starting with the first index I need to write all the values and then I need to concatenate these values. Now when I will do like this, I can perform the left shift operation. Now let's look at how can we do programmatically. See here, first I am going to take the input, s equal to input, I am writing as enter the words and numbers. Now I will split the words based on comma, right? Because here you can observe here our test cases will be like this: a word and associated number, and comma a word and associated number. For that I am going to split individual words, which means individual equal to s dot split of comma, which means I will get a word and associated number. I will get a list of word and associated number. Now I need to write for every element in individual. Now I am going to again split into the string and the number, right? First I will take the words equal to element dot split based on colon. I am going to split now. Now the first words of 0 will contain the string and words of 1 will contain the number, right? Now let me take the name variable which contains the words of 0, and let me take a number variable as a value which holds w of 1, right? Now I am going to typecast it into integer because it is a number. Now based on the sum of squares of the digits, I need to perform either right shift or left shift, right? First I need to take a total variable, and here I am calling a function as a sum of squares. Sum of squares function I am calling. This function will take the number and it will perform sum of the digits of that number and will return it. Now if I am checking here, if the total value, if a total is even, which means what I am going to do, I am going to rotate my string towards right by 1 position, right? Here I am going to write here rotate string right, else, which means the sum is odd. In that case what I am going to do, I am going to rotate the string towards left here by 1 position, right? 1 position. Here I am going to rotate by 2 positions. Okay. Now let me write the function here def sum of squares function, right? Sum of squares. Sum of squares, it is going to take a number, right? Now what it is going to do, let me take my sum equal to 0, and it is going to compute sum of squares of the digits. While the number is greater than 0, you need to extract the digit, right? Digit equal to n mod 10 means you will get a digit, and you need to add that digit to the my sum, right? My sum equal to my sum plus square of the digit, which is nothing but digit square. Okay, this is the exponential operator in Python, digit square, and you need to change the value of n for the next iteration, right? N equal to n by 10. Now finally you are going to return the sum value, return my sum. This my sum will hold sum of the squares of the digits, and it will be holded by the total here. If total is even, you will rotate the string towards right. How can we rotate the string towards right? Which is nothing but, let me take let me print here itself only, print of the name I need to rotate towards right. In that case, I need to write -1 colon plus name of all the before characters, right, up to -1. This will do the right rotation by one position. Okay. Now the next one here is print name of 2 colon plus name of colon 2. This will perform the left shift by 2 positions. If you want to perform by one position only, you can write, you can replace the 2 with 1. Okay, as I given here, -1 colon s of colon -1, it will perform right shift 1 to end of the string, and from the starting up to 1 you will get left shift by one position. This is the code you need to write to perform right and left rotations of the string. Now let me save the code and run here. What are the inputs? Let me check here. The inputs are RHTD colon 246, RHDT colon 246, comma, and one more thing is GHFTD, GHFTD colon 1246, string and associated value, string and associated value. Okay. Now let me write here. See, TRHD and FTDGH. See the output here, TRHD and FTDGH. In this way, you need to code for string rotation problem. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.